Hello guys, good morning, bon dia. Today I have one Christmas ticket. It's called Feliz Natal and Sorte Set, Lucky 7. And my dancing table. Okay, vamos começar. Hola, bom dia. Mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Okay, let's start. Vamos começar. Feliz Natal, Merry Christmas. In game 1, we're looking for matching symbol. Okay, I'm using M2M, Grab and Gumball, my countryman. We're looking for Acevinho y Prenda. Okay, we're looking for the two symbols, guys. Arena. Hi, I found the Prenda. It's a winner, guys. It's a winner. It's a winner. Luva. Larera. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so I found that's what's going on here. So I found a match. Okay, so let's go to game 2. Game 2. We're looking for the snowflake. Anju. I found the snowflake. Wow. Floco de Neve. Wow. So at least 20 euro win, guys. I found the snowflakes. 2 wins. Okay, so I found snowflakes. So I got 1, 2 wins. Let's go here. Game 4. 3 like prices. 50, 10, 15, 10, sign, 10. Wow. So 1, 2, 3. So it's a game 1 is a winner, game 2 is a winner, game 3 it's a winner. Let's go to game 4. This is a good win maybe. Here guys, we're looking for at least 5 Christmas trees to win 10 euro. Okay. Let's go here. Or if we uncover the symbol star, we win 150. I have 1, 2, 2. So far as 2, 3, 4. Wow. So I only need 1, guys, to win 10. 4. Oh yeah, 10. 4, 5. Wow. It's a winner. 6, 7. 7 wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much is 7? 20 euro, guys. 7 is 20 euro win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20, 20 y mais 10, 30. How much here? 40. Bloco de Neve or Snowflake. And Prenda, ¿cuánto? 10. 50 euro, guys. 50 euro win. Wow. It's a 50 euro win, guys, in a 10 euro ticket. Feliz Natal. Merry Christmas. 50 euro win. Nice. It's a nice win in a 10 euro ticket, guys. So I won in every game. Game 1, game 2, game 3, and game 4. I found 20 euro win in game 4. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set the Arbore di Natal, 20 euro. Okay, so let's go to 30 set. Lucky 7. Looking for 55, 18, 55, 18, 8, 19, 8, 19, 28, 28, 8 here, 8, 11, 31, 31, 11, 28, 28, 26, 49, 26, 49, 26, 40, 17, 40, no, 17, 54, 48, 48, 54, 48, 6, 46, 6, 6, 46, 27, 53. I thought it's a winner because there are a lot. 27, 53. 27, 53, no, 24. So maybe this is not a winner. Okay, so this is not a winner. I think. Okay, so I will bring this in the lottery store, but I think it's not a winner. But that I have a good win, guys. A 50 euro win. Dash 20, like prices 30 y más 20, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 50 euro win, guys. This is not a winner. Okay, I spent 15 and I won 50. Very nice win, guys. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigado a todos. Ciao.